Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix whenever you try to open any folder, it's opening in a new window. So for example, when you want to open any folder, so whenever you open any folder, it's actually opening in a new window. So instead of opening over here itself, like it's opening on the same screen, right? So in your case, when you try to open this folder, it's opening in a new window. So in order to fix this problem, the first step is to update Windows 10. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to open folder. Now still you're facing the problem, then run sfc and dism command. Now for this, open command prompt. So just type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command and then paste it in the command prompt window. All the commands are provided in the video description. Once you paste it, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, so let the scan complete. Once this is 100% complete, run the second command. So copy it over here and paste it in the command prompt window and then hit the enter key once this scan is complete. Now once the second scan is complete, then you go ahead and restart your computer and then you can go ahead and try to open the folder. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reset the NavPane registry settings. For this, open registry editor. So first of all, go ahead and type in registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor, click on yes. Now before you make any changes, just make sure that you back up your registry editor. For this, click on file, then click on export, select the location where you want to save, and then here you can go ahead and type in backup or whatever name you want, just type in over here, and for export range select all and then click on save. And this will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to back up your registry. So it's still backing up. Here you can see the blue circle. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and make changes. Now in future, whenever you want to go ahead and restore the registry, you can simply go to file, then click on import and then select the backup file and then click on open. This will go ahead and restore the registry. Now to fix this problem, you have to go ahead and make changes in registry. So open this, expand this HK current user folder, then expand software, then expand Microsoft, then expand Windows, scroll down and expand the Windows folder. Now expand the current version folder. Then you have to go find Explorer. So here you can see expand Explorer and then expand modules. And over here you can see NavPane. You have to go ahead and make a right click on NavPane and then click on delete, click on yes, and then close the registry editor. Now go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart your computer. And after the restart, it should go ahead and fix the problem. And you should be able to open the folder in same screen. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reset the default double click action. For this, open command prompt. So just type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description, and then paste it on the command prompt window and then hit the enter key. Now if you receive any kind of error message, just ignore it. Run the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this is done, go to the start menu, then click on the power icon and then click on restart, and after the restart you can try to open the folder. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file. Then you will see the screen, agree to the terms. So click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next. Now this process will take time, and once the download is complete, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now this is checked by default, do not make any changes. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Then you can click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer, and then you can go ahead and try to open folder. Now in case nothing is fixing the problem, then in that case you can go ahead and create a new user account. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to accounts, then click on family and other users, then click on add someone else to this PC. Now click on the option which says I don't have this person sign in information. Click on it. Now on this screen, click on the option which says add a user without a Microsoft account, and then enter your username, whatever username you want, you can go ahead and type in. So this is just an example, so I'm just naming it test1. You can enter the password and answer the security questions. This is just an example, so you can answer your security questions and then click on next. And once this is created, click on it, then click on change account type, and then from standard user you can click on it and select administrator, and then click on OK, and then you can go ahead and you can sign out, and then or you can click on test1, the new account, click on it, and then enter the password and log into your new account. And after you logged into the new user account, you can go ahead and try to open folder, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So one of the steps should definitely help you to open folder in the same screen. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.